Hey guys, so today we're going to be doing a short video on just how to make these little pen toppers. So they just slide onto a pen like this, and yeah, they just look really cool. So yeah, that's what we're going to be building today. Okay, so for this you'll need a 1x1 snot brick. So this will be the center of it. You basically can't build one of these without it, so if you don't have one, I would recommend getting one. So with these, you'll need some of these 1x3 slopes. So what you'll do is you'll grab your 1x1 and then put all of these wedges on the outside of that. So now that you've done that, you should have a little gap at the end like that, if you can see that. Then you grab a 1x2 round plate and put that on top of that. So now that's the base of your thing. So if you want, you can put whatever you want on it, or you can put something like this little bird I made, or a little race car like this, or yeah, anything really. So that is the base. If it doesn't quite fit on your pen, it's a bit loose, you could put a bit of blue tack in there. That will strengthen it a bit. So that's the end of today's video. Remember, like, subscribe, and stay tuned. Bye.